morning, everyone. Welcome to the first panel discussion today. First of all, I would like to inform everyone that this is the first of its kind of conclave that IIF is organizing. And I'm happy to say that this was done entirely by the Secretariat, especially one of the Center of Excellence, our FIC, Foundry Informatics Center in Delhi. And they have done it on its own, and I really want to congratulate them for getting it done. We have a plethora of a full spectrum of speakers here today from various, various organizations, industry, government, and the panel is about the opportunities and challenges for Indian foundry industry in defense production. So I would start with introducing each of the panel members. The format we will follow today is first I would introduce them, and then we will have each one of them speak for around 5 minutes about themselves, about the organization they are representing, and also talk about if they are involved, especially for the people from the industry, about if they're involved with for the defense production in any way. And then we will take it to some questions which we have for each of the panelists, and then open up the session for a general Q&A. So I would start with our first panelist, Colonel Suneet Kalhan. He served in the Indian Army for 26 years in various command and staff appointments. He is an alumni of the prestigious Higher Command course held at Army War College, MHOW, and participated in the United Nations mission in Sudan under the UN Charter. He also served as a senior defense specialist in the National Security Council. Presently, he is the vice president in Kalyani Strategic Systems and is handling artillery modernization and integration. Most well, sir. Very, very high, big welcome to you, sir. I think a round of clap is required for Colonel Kalhan. Our second panelist is Mr. Deepak Reddy. I think our members know him very well. He's a very prominent member. He is the current Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Nelcast Limited, one of the largest producers of iron castings in India. He has been involved with operations of the company since May 2009 and has been leading the company as MD and CEO since July 2012. Under his leadership, the company has grown to exceed a turnover of rupees 1,200 crore and has become the leading global player. We also have Mr. Nishan Jain, who's currently in Midhani as the additional GM. He is looking after production of titanium alloys and super alloy in Midhani. He is having long experience of 20 years on various melting furnaces like vacuum arc, remelting, electrostag remelting, vacuum induction melting, etc. His area of interest are producing castings of super alloys and titanium alloys through VIM and vacuum arc skull melting. Welcome, sir. We have Dr. Maya Din. He's working as a scientist, general director at DF and MM in Defense Research and Development Organization, popularly known as DRDO, headquartered in New Delhi. His area of interest are cryptography, information security, soft computing, and computational swarm intelligence. He has contributed in a number of R&D projects of DRDO. He presently leads the management team at DF and MM, working on different aspects of finance and material management. Welcome, sir. And our final panelist is Dr. Brijesh Ainapur. He is a seasoned foundry specialist with over 30 years of leadership and technical experience in the metal casting industry. He has held key executive roles, including CEO, director, and president across prominent organizations such as Kirloskar Ferrous Industries, Nelcast, Castex, Well Castings, and Sanmar Foundries. Currently serving as the executive vice president and plant head at Kirloskar Ferrous Limited, Dr. Ainapur is known for his strategic vision and operational leadership in managing large-scale foundry operations. His core expertise spans turnaround strategy, greenfield projects execution, supply chain management and operational excellence through the theory of constraints approach. Welcome, sir. So I would like to start the session, as I mentioned, with a small, talk about by each of the panelists to introduce themselves and the organization. So can we start with you, Colonel Sunil Kalam?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, IFF, for